All right, so this quick video is for those of you who want to actually start copying my gold trade on Bybit. If you already had a Bybit account, all you need to do is to create a new account using a new email with my own personal link. The link will be in the video description. The link will be in my bio. The link will be on Telegram. Okay, if you're on the Telegram channel, the link will be there. Create a new Bybit account using that link. And then you can log into your old Bybit account, just as I'm doing right now. Okay, so once you log into your old Bybit account, please, the first thing you want to do, if you're on the light app mode, make sure you switch to the pro option. Choose the pro option. And once you choose the pro option, the next thing you want to do, the reason for that is so that whatever I'm showing you here, you don't get confused doing it on the light mode. Okay, so after that, go to the profile icon, which is this one at the top left. Click on it. Now, once you click on the profile icon, you'll see your name here. You'll see an arrow here that shows everything. Go ahead and click on that arrow. And once you click on that arrow, it brings you to this level, to this page here. So once it brings you to this page, you see where it says identity verification. Go ahead and click on the arrow in front of it. Now, once you click on the arrow in front of the identity verification option, it brings you to this page. Here on this page, there is equally personal info with an arrow in front of it. Click on it. Once you go ahead and click on it, you see the option for identity transfer. So go ahead and click on the identity transfer option. And here on this page, you'll be asked to do your facial verification. Click on it, point the camera and follow the on-screen instruction. And once you do the facial verification, once that is completed, you'll be asked to input the email of the new account you want to do the transfer to. So that new email that you created an account using my Bybit link is the one you will now input. Just follow the on-screen instruction and click on OK. And then in less than a minute, your identity transfer or your KYC transfer will be done successfully. Now, the whole essence of this is you can only use one verified Bybit account. For those of you who are asking, does it mean that we'll now have two Bybit accounts? No. Once you do your KYC transfer, you can only use one verified Bybit account. So the reason why you're doing the KYC transfer is that the other account you're transferring from is no longer in use, is no longer verified. Once you log in, you will see that it will now be showing unverified. All right. Then after that, you are good to go. So the next thing you want to do, if you have money on your Bybit account, you can now do Bybit to Bybit transfer option. That one doesn't cost you money. To transfer your asset from the former Bybit account, you just go to the withdraw option. You just click on the withdraw option. Once you click on the withdraw option, you see all the assets you have on your old Bybit account. Just click on any one. Once you click on it, you see the option for internal transfer. Click on that internal transfer option. And here you can use email. That is the email of the new account is the one you'll be putting here. And then just click on Max, or you can use UID, or you can use a mobile number if you have linked up your mobile number. So you can copy the UID from the new account and then paste it here, click on Max, and you keep transferring. This comes with without fee. So you can transfer all the assets you have on your old Bybit account to the new account without paying any fee using your UID or email to email. Okay, so that is how you do your KYC transfer. Now, after you do your KYC transfer, send the UID of the new account you just created to me, and I'll be able to whitelist or send you the link to copy my trades. And for copying my gold trades, minimum you can trade gold with is $500. So you need to fund the account with 500, and I'll just show you how to copy. Send you a link. You can now start copying my trade. Alternatively, if you want to be interacting with me and be taking my signals the way I trade, you can actually pay a yearly subscription of $100 or a lifetime payment of $300 to join my private group, and you'll be trading with me as I share the gold trades with my community there. So that is it for this video, guys. So if you are new here, make sure you subscribe. And if you are not on Telegram, the link to join us will be in the video description. You can check out my bio for that. I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share this video.